The 2025 Land Rover Defender is a powerful SUV that blends off-road performance with on-road comfort. The 2025 Land Rover Defender has a fun retro-modern design, actual performance, power, and luxury trim, and a known identity and set of exceptional skills. The Defender excels on rough roads and competes with truck-like rivals such as the Jeep Wrangler and Lexus GX, but its on-road handling and well-designed interior keep things civil once you leave the trail. The 2025 Defender comes in 3 body types with seating capacities ranging from 5 to 8. The 110/7-seat model is regarded as an excellent choice for large families. The Defender 90 is recommended for mixed driving and urban use since it is easy to park in tight areas. The 2025 lineup has a new Octa model with a twin-turbo V8, better suspension, and a luxury interior. The Defender features a twin-turbo V8 engine, sphere-shaped air spring suspension with hydraulically linked shock absorbers, and 6D dynamics in Rover's native language. The interior is comfy, supportive, and luxury, providing a special and personalized experience. The Land Rover Defender has superb craftsmanship, with soft and flexible leather, rich colors, a stunning design, and stitching details. A trapezoidal expansion of the front panel beneath the infotainment screen accommodates the temperature control system's buttons and switches as well as the driving mode. The gear lever and ignition switch are likewise located in the center console rather than the center console. On some models, the center console may be pushed back to provide a jump seat between the driver and passenger, similar to the 3-row bench in some full-size trucks. The back seats may be folded down to create a big cargo compartment, which may be desirable for those who need to transport both people and stuff. The long 130 model has more storage space, and the third row is stowed, however there is no room for gear when in use. The Defender's dashboard comes with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Land Rover's new Pivi Pro interface. A bigger 11.4-inch screen is optional. Compared to the Touch Pro Duo interface utilized in the rest of the Land Rover range, the Defender system uses one touchscreen rather than two and has faster response times. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, as does an in-dash navigation system, a 6-speaker radio, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Meridian radio systems with 10 or 14 speakers are offered, and the higher-end Defender includes a digital gauge cluster and a head-up display. The standard Defender engine is a 296 horsepower, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder paired with an 8-speed automated gearbox. All-wheel drive and locking options are included across the lineup. A 395 horsepower 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine is also available, with an electronic supercharger, turbocharger, and 48-volt hybrid system. The Octa will use the same 626 horsepower twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine featured in the upgraded Range Rover Sport SV. The Defender is based on a less rigid basis than the OG's body frame design and has fully independent suspension rather than a solid axle. Coil springs are normal, but air suspension with ride height adjustment is also available. The 4-cylinder 90 model gets 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway, Switch to the 6-cylinder engine, and the city average drops to 17 miles per gallon while the highway average increases to 23 miles per gallon. The 110 model with the 6-cylinder engine has the same ratings as the 6-cylinder 90, but the long wheelbase 130 gets 17 miles per gallon city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway on a single-cylinder basis. The 110's V8 is rated at 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway, while the 90's V8 is rated at 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. On our 75 mile per hour motorway route, the Defender 110X with the optional 6-cylinder engine earned an unimpressive 18 miles per gallon, while the 130 outbound only managed 19 miles per gallon. The anticipated pricing range for the 2025 Land Rover Defender is starting from $58,000 to $124,000, depending on the chosen trim and accessories. The Defender line blends cutting-edge safety features with a very strong aluminum body structure built to handle tough terrain while providing great safety features. Important safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, and automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. We tested the long wheelbase 130 outbound with the 395 horsepower inline-6 motor, which reached 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds. We tested a Defender 90 with a 518 horsepower supercharged V8, which accelerated to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. We anticipate this year's 2025 Defender Octa to be even faster due to its more powerful twin-turbo V8. While official power numbers are not yet available, Land Rover claims it will be the most powerful Defender in the range.